Hi, my name's Will DeLucy. I'm co-founder and CEO of Amplify Trading. We've had a partnership with Exeter for a number of years now, where we'll come and run the same financial training simulations that we deliver to many of the world's largest investment banks, asset managers and hedge funds worldwide. By doing a series of different simulations, we're giving students here at Exeter a practical experience in each type of role, so they can find out for themselves what type of career path to follow, and then gain the practical skill sets to relay on their CV or their LinkedIn that helps them secure that role.
Hi, I'm Liam. I'm part of FAFM this year. Done 3 retrader simulations which have gone really well. Easy to digest information.
So far I felt most interested is the trading games, and that makes us have a similar to real experience.
This morning I learned a lot of things about the financial market, the inflation, the rate.
The most interesting thing is a trading game, and I also won the first prize in that game.
We did like 3 simulations, and all of them were very different from each other, and it was a very good experience overall doing that.
Give us an insight into how even psychological behaviors play an impact into the market conditions.
My most memorable experience and enjoyable was making a profit on a very tricky simulation. A lot of people made a loss, even though it was really small. I quite enjoyed it, and it's the small wins that matter.
I really enjoyed learning about interest rates and how that relates to equities. I'm interested in a career in asset management within equities, so that was really cool.
Exeter does a great project where they sponsor a number of students to join Amplify over the summer to get a very intensive 3-week practical experience. They spend 1 week in banking, 1 week in technology and 1 week in markets. Following that experience, the students will be able to use that to follow a dissertation or a larger project that can really help leverage their career going forward.